2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. Light back charge. 5, 6, 7. You're going to prep right for a broken left. 1, 2, 3. Right arm wraps her up. Left arm goes over the head as we do a salsa step. 5, 6, 7. So now we're going to be giving her a 1.5 right. I'm going to leave the left hand up on 1. Then left hand's going to stay up as I'm going to, with my right hand, start unwinding her with the palm up. 2, so the right hand meets the left hand. 3. Once it goes over the head on 5, I'm going to touch down on my left shoulder, my right shoulder with my left hand. 5, and I'm going to turn and check it down on 6, 7. I'm going to catch it right away. So now on 1, I'm going to open up the slot and drape. 1, bring it forward, bring it up. 2, now we're going to give her a walk 1.5 left, left hand down, right hand up. 3, finish the basic. 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to open up on 1, prepping her at 1. Now I'm going to be pushing her turn on 2 and 3, making her pivot quickly. 2, I'm going to make her step forward. 3, so even though I'm wrapping her up, I'm still bringing her energy forward. So now I'm going to make her step forward on 5 as I let go of the right, left hand up. I do a walk around left 5, and I turn 6, make her face me, 7. Now I'm going to be to the left side of the slide. Now I'm going to bring her forward. 1, bring her forward again. 2, as I turn her on 3, I'm going to turn to the left. 3, become perpendicular with her. 5, 6, 7, cross body leap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. We're gonna start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body leap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Broken left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1.5 right. Forward 1, turn 2, turn 3, 5, 6, 7. Walk through 1.5 left. Forward, forward, turn. 5, 6, 7. Then we're gonna go forward 1, turn 2, turn 3, forward 5, facing 6, 7. 1, 2, turn 3, turn 5, 6, 7. Pop back on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content. And if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.